Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Let's go through a simple tutorial on how to check if a number is odd or even using Python. Understanding odd and even numbers. Even numbers, these are integers that can be divided by 2 without a remainder. For example, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, etc. Odd numbers, these are integers that cannot be divided by 2 evenly and have a remainder of 1. For example, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, etc. Python basics for this task. Before we dive into the code, here are a few basic Python concepts used in this program. Input and output, we will get user input using the input function and display output using the print function. Data types, the input will be a string and we will convert it to an integer using int. Conditional statements, we will use if, elif, and else statements to determine if the number is odd or even. Code example. Here's a simple Python program to check if a number is odd or even. How the code works. 1. Function definition. We define a function check_odd_even, number, that takes an integer as an argument. Inside the function, we use the modulus operator % to check if the number is divisible by 2. If the remainder is 0, number %2 == 0, the number is even, otherwise, it is odd. 2. Main program block. We use if __name__= __main__: to ensure that the code runs only when the script is executed directly and not when imported as a module. We prompt the user to enter a number using input. We then attempt to convert the input to an integer with int, user_input. If the input is not a valid integer, it raises a value error, which we catch and handle with a friendly message. Finally, we call the check_odd_even function and print the result. Running the code. To run this code, 1. Copy the code into a Python environment, like an IDE such as PyCharm, or an online compiler like Replit. 2. Execute the program. 3. Enter a number when prompted, and it will tell you if the number is odd or even. Conclusion. This simple Python program demonstrates how to check if a number is odd or even using basic programming concepts. As you practice more, you can build on this foundation to create more complex programs. Happy coding!